Hi guys, if you have clicked on this video, I assume you are interested in studying in Germany. However, one of the questions that you ask yourself is, how do I sponsor myself whilst I study in Germany? You might have known or seen that, or even in my previous video, that most of the courses offered in Germany are tuition free. It means that you don't pay any tuition whilst you study either for a bachelor's, master's, or even PhD. But one of the requirements to gain a visa to Germany to study is only how you are going to sponsor yourself whilst you live in Germany. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to sponsor yourself, or the options that are available to sponsor yourself or take care of yourself or show that you can sponsor yourself whilst you study in Germany. Most of the time, it's always scholarships that people think can bring them to Germany or through blocked accounts. But there's also a third option that you can use, but most people don't know about it. So I am going to talk more about that one today. If you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel as I talk about study abroad, scholarship opportunities, and job opportunities. Consider liking this video, subscribing as well, so that I can continue to bring you this whilst the channel grows for more opportunities to come your way. Now let's go to the main video. You might have noticed that if you want to study in Germany, you need to show the embassy in your country that you are able to sponsor yourself whilst you live in Germany. Yes, this sometimes can be a very big stumbling block for many people because showing that either you have a scholarship or you have a blocked account can be very challenging. Currently, the blocked account amount is close to 12,000 euros. So if you want to study in Germany, you have to have an amount of about 12,000 euros in your account to show to the embassy that you can take care of yourself whilst you live and study in Germany. And this, of course, is a big challenge because coming from where we are, 12,000 euros is a big amount of money, and I'm sure that many people cannot afford this amount of money. So this is a big challenge. Also, scholarship. We know that the DART scholarship, the KAAD scholarship, and other scholarship Erasmus are available, but these scholarships most of the time are very highly competitive, and it's very difficult to land some of these scholarships. Of course, because there are many people who are vying for the scholarship. Second is the blocked account. The blocked account, like I said, currently stands at almost 12,000. That is 11,904 euros. And in this blocked account, you set aside this money in that account to show that you can sponsor yourself for a year. And out of this will be given to you monthly whilst you study in Germany for a whole year. So that when you come to Germany, you don't become a burden to the country or to the economy. So that is the second option. Now let's move to the main part of this video, which is the third option called the obligation letter, the letter of obligation or obligatory letter, based on how you want to mention it. This is a very important letter that can stand in to show that you can be sponsored in Germany. And how is it done? If you know somebody in Germany, if you have a relative in Germany who has lived in Germany for some time, has a very good job, who is either a German who has a German passport or a permanent resident in Germany, and the person has a very good financial standing and is not depending on the government for any finance, then this person can stand in for you and provide this letter of obligation for you so that you can show that this person will be able to sponsor you whilst you live in Germany. In doing this, the person needs to contact the international authorities or international office so that the person would present certain documents showing that they can they can sponsor you whilst you live in Germany. And then they will be able to secure this letter. This letter, like I said, is the obligatory letter or obligation letter, also called the Verpflichtung Erklärung in German. That will show that the person can take care of you, the person can foot your bills whilst you live in Germany. So if you have an uncle, you have an auntie, you have a friend, a neighbor, or somebody that you who is willing to do this, then this is an option for you. In this letter, it is always done in German, and the person will apply for this letter for you from their office in Germany here. The person will then give it to you uh, in your country, either Ghana, Nigeria. And then once you apply for the visa, after securing the admission and all that, then this will stand in as an opportunity for the person to sponsor you once you move here. And one good thing about this is that if the person is able to do that and you move into Germany, you can secure student jobs, you can secure internships that are paid, so that in this, whilst you study, you can also be able to take care of yourself. Some of these student jobs can pay as much as 900 to 1,004 euros a month. And with this, you are most certainly able to take care of yourself whilst you study. So this is an opportunity. If you know somebody who is in Germany, who has lived in Germany for some time, the person can stand in with this letter of obligation for you. Bear in mind, you have to be related to this person or have very close ties with this person so that the person can provide this letter to you. If you are looking for more details about this, I've put various links in the description of this video. You can read about the letter, you can read about how to obtain the letter, you can read about the benefits that come with it. The letter of obligation is very important. This is also the letter that people give out when they are inviting their family to come and visit. And you just need to have a different form that will state that is being sponsored or is sponsoring the person to study in Germany. And this would work. Yeah, one main benefit of studying in Germany that I have to mention is that if you are able to study in Germany and you complete either a bachelor's, master's, you are mostly given a 2 year or up to 2 years of stay after study visa. So some mostly it's 18 months. So they give you this visa so that you stay in Germany whilst you look for a job. And currently in Germany, there are so many jobs that are available for people, especially skilled workers that are being sought after by the government and various institutions. And whilst you study, if you do internship with these companies, it's always very close to certain that you'll be able to land a job whilst you after you are done studying with them. You also have the opportunity to do your thesis in various companies, and with this, when you are done, most of the time you are picked to work there. So with this 18 months, if within that period you get a job, then you get your work permit, and then yeah, it becomes a good zone for you to stay and work in Germany. So discover this, look at this, read about this Verpflichtungserklärung or obligation letter, and then see how you can benefit from it. So if you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below so that I can look at it. And please subscribe to this channel as I bring you more information about studying in Germany and other places. Stay blessed and see you in the next video. Cheers.